Banana chips. Traditional snack, now mass-produced banana chips. Thin, crispy, and delightfully addictive. For centuries, they've been a traditional snack in South Asia, especially in India, Sri Lanka, and Kerala, where plantains were sliced and fried in coconut oil by hand. But today, this humble snack has gone global. Factories now mass-produce banana chips by the ton, supplying supermarkets and snack brands worldwide. So, how exactly are banana chips made on an industrial scale? Let's find out. It all begins at the plantation. Unlike the soft, sweet bananas you eat at home, banana chips are usually made from firm, starchy varieties of bananas called plantain. These are harvested while still green, ensuring the slices hold their shape during processing. Once harvested, the plantains are quickly transported to factories, where the transformation begins. The first step is sorting and cleaning. Workers or automated systems check for size, ripeness, and quality. Only blemish-free plantains are selected for chips. They're washed thoroughly to remove dirt and latex residue from the peel. Then comes peeling, traditionally done by hand with knives. But in factories, high-speed mechanical peelers strip the thick skins in seconds. Next comes slicing. Plantains are fed into precision slicers that cut them into thin, even rounds. Thickness matters. Thinner slices produce crispy chips, while slightly thicker ones create a heartier crunch. Factories may produce multiple styles, flat rounds, long strips, or even crinkle cut, all designed to appeal to different markets. But raw banana slices are prone to browning. To prevent this, the slices are quickly treated with a dip in a mild salt or turmeric solution. Turmeric not only preserves color, but also gives South Asian banana chips their distinct golden hue and subtle earthy flavor. Now, it's time for frying, the step that gives banana chips their crunch. Giant industrial fryers filled with hot oil, often coconut oil or palm oil, cook the slices at controlled temperatures. The frying process is carefully timed. Too short, and the chips stay chewy. Too long, and they burn. Continuous conveyor fryers ensure thousands of slices are cooked evenly every minute. As they fry, excess moisture evaporates, leaving behind a crisp, airy texture. Once fried, the chips are drained of excess oil and cooled with powerful air blowers. Some factories also use centrifuge machines to spin off the remaining oil, making the chips lighter and healthier. The next stage is seasoning. While traditional banana chips are simply salted, modern factories offer a variety of flavors: chili, pepper, masala, cheese, or even sweet coatings like honey and jaggery. Automated tumblers coat the chips evenly with powdered seasonings, ensuring every bite is flavorful. Quality control is crucial. Random samples are tested for crunchiness, oil content, flavor consistency, and shelf stability. Optical scanners can detect and remove chips that are too dark, too small, or broken. The goal is to deliver a perfect batch every time. Finally, the chips move to packaging lines. Bags are formed from plastic film, filled with exact weights of chips, and sealed airtight to preserve freshness. Nitrogen gas is sometimes added inside the bags to prevent chips from turning stale or soggy. Each pack is coated with batch numbers and expiry dates before being boxed for shipping. From traditional roadside stalls in Kerala to supermarket aisles in New York, banana chips have made an incredible journey. What started as a homemade treat is now a global snack industry, yet the essence remains the same: crispy, golden slices of banana that remind us of both tradition and innovation. So the next time you open a pack of banana chips, remember, behind that crunch is a fascinating story of farming, engineering, and flavor.